Math 6, Quarter 1, Week 6, MELC-BASED. Let's learn about multi-step problem involving whole numbers and decimals. Hello kids, it's me, Teacher Frel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and hit the notification bell for the latest video. You can also follow my Facebook page, Teacher Frel TV. For today's lesson in Math 6, we will discuss about multi-step problem involving whole numbers and decimals. For most essential learning competencies, solves multi-step problems involving multiplication and addition or subtraction of decimals, mixed decimals, and whole numbers, including money, using appropriate problem-solving strategies and tools. After going through this lesson, you are expected to solve multi-step problems involving multiplication and addition or subtraction of decimals, mixed decimals, and whole numbers, including money, using appropriate problem-solving strategies and tools. Let us now proceed to our first activity, Learning Task 1. Enumerate the 4 steps in solving simple problems. Write the hidden questions for every step. What are the 4 steps in solving word problems? Very good! Step 1 is to understand. First, know what is as, and second, know what are the given facts. Step 2 is to plan. Know what operation to be used, and what is the number sentence. Step 3 is to solve. What will be the solution, and write the answer. And step 4, check and look back. See if your answer makes sense. Write the complete answer. So these are the 4 steps in solving word problems. Multi-step word problems are combination of fundamental operations which includes hidden questions. Here, you will be able to think deeply and improve your higher order thinking skills to solve the problems. Learning Task 2. Solve the given problems. Use the 4 steps in solving word problems. A hidden question should be incorporated in your answer. Write your solution in your notebook. Number 1. Mr. Fernandez earns 28 pesos and 50 centavos per hour as an office clerk. He earns 1 7/75 times as his regular rate for overtime. His regular work is 40 hours per week. He gets overtime pay if he works more than 40 hours. How much is his total earning if he works 45 hours in 1 week? Step 1. Understand the problem. Letter A. What is as in the problem? The total earning of Mr. Fernandez for working 45 hours in 1 week. The hidden questions are his total earning in working 40 hours and the total overtime earning in 5 hours. Letter B. What are the given facts? The given facts are 28 pesos and 50 centavos per hour, 1 7/75 times, 40 hours per week, and 45 hours in 1 week. Second step is to plan. What operation to be used? The operation to be used are multiplication and addition. What is the number sentence? The number sentence is 28 pesos and 50 centavos times 40 hours plus 1 7/75 times 28 pesos and 50 centavos times 5 days equals n. Step 3. Solve. For the solution, the regular working hour is 28 pesos and 50 centavos times 40 equals 1,140 pesos. For overtime rate, multiply 1 and 75 hundredths times 28 pesos and 50 centavos equals 49 pesos and 87 centavos times 5 equals 249 pesos and 40 centavos. Then add the earnings for regular working hours in 5 days is 1,140 pesos plus the overtime rate. The overtime rate is 249 pesos and 40 centavos equals 1,389 pesos and 40 centavos. Then write the answer. The answer is Mr. Fernandez earned 1,389 pesos and 40 centavos. This is his total earning if he works 45 hours in 1 week. Step 4. Check and look back. So the regular working hours is 1,140 pesos divided by 28 pesos and 50 centavos equals 40, which is 40 hours. The overtime rate is 249 pesos and 40 centavos divided by 5 days equals 49 pesos and 88 centavos. 49 pesos and 88 centavos divided by 28 pesos and 50 centavos equals 1 and 75 hundredths. Then add 1,389 pesos and 40 centavos minus 249 pesos and 40 centavos equals 1,140 pesos and 40 centavos. This answer is the regular working hours for Monday to Friday. Number 2. Lucy earns 1,525 pesos a week. She sets aside 15% of this for savings. How much does she save in a year? The hint is 1 year is equivalent to 52 weeks. Step 1. Understand. What is as in the problem? The amount of her savings in a year. The hidden question is the amount of her savings in a week. What are the given facts? The given facts are 1,525 pesos a week. 15% or equivalent to 15 hundredths. And 1 year is equivalent to 52 weeks. Step 2. Plan. What operation to be used? The operation to be used is multiplication. And what is the number sentence? The number sentence is 1,525 pesos times 15 hundredths multiplied by 52 weeks equals n. Now, step 3. Solve. Solution. Savings in a week. 1,525 pesos times 15 hundredths equals 228 pesos and 75 centavos. Now, the savings in a year. 228 pesos and 75 centavos multiplied by 52 weeks equals 11,895 pesos. Now, write the answer. In a year, Lucy saves 11,895 pesos. Step 4. Check and look back. Savings in a week, 228 pesos and 75 centavos divided by 15 hundredths equals 1,525 pesos. And the savings in a year, 11,895 pesos divided by 52 weeks equals 228 pesos and 75 centavos. Number 3. Mrs. Briones has a monthly pay of 15,000 pesos. The withholding tax from her monthly salary is 5,275 pesos and 75 centavos. What is the actual pay she receives in a year? Step 1. Understand. What is as in the problem? The actual pay of Mrs. Briones receives in a year. The hidden question. The actual pay of Mrs. Briones in a month. What are the given? 50,000 a month and 5,275 pesos and 75 centavos withholding tax a month. Step 2. Plan. What operation to be used? The operation to be used are multiplication and subtraction. What is the number sentence? 50,000 pesos minus 5,275 pesos and 75 centavos multiplied by 12 equals n. Now solve. Solution. Monthly pay is 50,000 pesos minus 5,275 pesos and 75 centavos equals 44,724 pesos and 25 centavos. This is her monthly pay. The actual pay in a year is 44,724 pesos and 25 centavos multiplied by 12 months equals 536,691 pesos. Write the answer. The actual pay she receives in a year is 536,691 pesos. Now, check and look back. Let's add 44,724 pesos and 25 centavos plus 5,275 pesos and 75 centavos equals 50,000 pesos. This is the monthly pay for Mrs. Briones. Next, the pay in a year is 536,691 pesos divided by 12 months equals 44,724 pesos and 25 centavos. Learning Task 3. Solve the given problems using the 4 steps in solving word problems. Write your complete solutions in your notebook. Number 1. A clerk is paid 45 pesos and 50 centavos per hour for 40 hours per week. 1 and 50 hundredths times the regular rate for overtime and double the regular for a holiday. How much does the clerk get if he works overtime for 3 hours and 5 hours on a holiday? Step 1. Understand. What is asked in the problem? The total amount of money the clerk gets for working overtime in a holiday. What are the given? 45 pesos and 50 centavos per hour. 40 hours per week. 1 and 50 hundredths overtime rate. Step 2. Plan. What operation to be used? The operation to be used are multiplication and addition. What is the number sentence? 45 pesos and 50 centavos times 40 plus 45 pesos and 50 centavos times 1 and 50 hundredths times 3 plus 45 pesos and 50 centavos times 2 times 5 equals n. Step 3. Solve. Solution. 45 pesos and 50 centavos times 40 equals 1,820 pesos. Next, 45 pesos and 50 centavos times 1 and 50 hundredths times 3 equals 204 pesos and 75 centavos. This is the overtime pay. And 45 pesos and 50 centavos times 2 times 5 equals 455 pesos. This is the holiday pay. Add the following. Add 1,820 pesos plus 204 pesos and 75 centavos plus 455 pesos equals 2,479 pesos and 75 centavos. Now write the answer. The clerk will get the amount of 2,479 pesos and 75 centavos. Now check and look back. 2,479 pesos and 75 centavos minus 455 pesos equals 2,024 pesos and 75 centavos. Then 2,024 pesos and 75 centavos minus 204 pesos and 75 centavos equals 1,820 pesos. Number 2. Sarah works 8 and 5/10 hours a day from Monday to Friday and 6 and 75 hundredths hours on Saturday. If she paid 55 pesos and 25 centavos per hour, how much does she earn in a week? Step 1. Understand what is asked in the problem. The amount of money Sarah earned in a week. What are the given facts? 55 pesos and 25 centavos per hour. 8 and 5/10 hours Monday to Friday. 6 and 75 hours on Saturday. Step 2 is to plan. What operation to be used? The operation to be used are multiplication and addition. What is the number sentence? 8 and 5/10 times 5 plus 6 and 75 hundredths. Multiply by 55 pesos and 25 centavos equals N. Step 3. Solve the problem. Solution. 8 and 5/10 times 5 plus 6 and 75 hundredths equals 49 and 25 hundredths hours in a week. Now, multiply 49 and 25 hundredths hours times 55 pesos and 25 centavos equals 2,721 pesos and 625 centavos. Round this up to the nearest hundreds. Now write the answer. Sarah earns 2,721 pesos and 6 centavos in a week. Now, check and look back. 2,721 pesos and 6 centavos divided by 49 and 25 hundredths equals 55 pesos and 25 centavos. Number 3. Mr. Paron sells fruits in the market. Banana costs 25 pesos per kilogram and grapes cost 180 pesos per kilogram. A customer bought 5 and 25 hundredths kilos of banana and 3 and 75 hundredths kilograms of grapes. How much will the customer pay? Step 1 is to understand. What is asked in the problem? The total amount of customer pay. What are the given facts? The given facts are 25 pesos per kilogram of banana, 180 pesos per kilogram of grapes, 5 and 25 hundredths kilos of banana bought, and 3 and 75 hundredths kilos of grapes bought. Step 2 is to plan. What operation to be used? The operation to be used are multiplication and addition. What is the number sentence? The number sentence is 25 pesos times 5 and 25 hundredths plus 180 pesos times 3 and 75 hundredths equals N. Step 3. Solve. Solution. 25 pesos times 5 and 25 hundredths equals 131 pesos and 25 centavos cost of banana. 180 pesos times 3 and 75 hundredths equals 675 pesos cost of grapes. Then add 131 pesos and 25 centavos plus 675 pesos equals 806 pesos and 25 centavos. Now write the answer. The customer will pay 806 pesos and 25 centavos. Step 4. Check and look back. 806 pesos and 25 centavos minus 675 pesos equals 131 pesos and 25 centavos for banana. Next, 806 pesos and 25 centavos minus 131 pesos and 25 centavos equals 675 pesos for grapes. When the time that you have mastered on how to solve problems and can be able to analyze it, you can answer problems as fast as you can without using the steps. If you can solve problems critically, we can also create our own problem. And for learning task 4, create a simple problem using the given data. Solve and write your answer in your notebook. I'll give you an example for number 1. For number 1, the given data is 80 pineapples at 15 pesos and 25 centavos each. 3 pineapple got rotten. Sold the rest at 20 pesos each, amount of gain. And here is my example. Mother bought 80 pieces of pineapples at 15 pesos and 25 centavos each. 3 pineapple got rotten. She sold the rest at 20 pesos each. How much does she gain if she sold the rest of the pineapples? Create your own problem based on the given data for number 2, 3, 4, and 5. So kids, do you understand our lesson for today? Wow! Good job! Kids, I hope you learned a lot from this lesson. Until our next topic, bye-bye kids! Thanks for watching!